Hello, welcome to today's session. We're going to talk about how to integrate Azure Cache for Redis Enterprise with Grafana Open Source. The first thing we're going to do is going to run Grafana Open Source in a Docker container. Now we can go to the dashboard. And the first time you enter, you're going to use the default username and password, that is admin. After that, it will ask you to, if you wanted to change the password for that default account. I already changed it, so you got in. Now, this is a brand new Grafana instance. So what you will do is we're going to connect to Azure Cache for Redis Enterprise through Azure Monitor. You will go to Add New Connections, type Azure Monitor, and click Add New Data Source. Right here is going to ask you a couple of things. The directory, so the tenant ID, the application, the client ID, and the client secret. After you enter all this information, Grafana is going to be able to connect to your Azure Monitor metrics. In order to get all these details, you will have to create an app registration. So for that, let's go ahead and go to Portal. You go to Microsoft Entra ID, App Registrations. I already create one, so I'm gonna show it. You just create new registration. You type whatever name you want. You will get this information. That's the one that you're gonna use. The application client ID, the directory, and you're missing the secret. So the secret, you will do certificates and secrets. And then you add new client secret and you will have it there. Once you have that information, the next thing you need to do is, of course, add that to the subscription. So you go to your subscription, your access control management, you add role assignment, you select reader. So you just want to give access, reader access to this. The members, pretty much you're gonna type the name of the application that you just created, right? The app registration you created. You need to type because it's not gonna show right away by default. So as you can see, you see Grafana OSS to ACRE. You go next and review and assign. I already created on mine, so I'm not gonna hit review and assign. So after you create that, pretty much already you give that app registration access to your subscription as a reader. You just need to type the information that we created through the app registration here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Okay. Once you have that, you click load subscriptions. I have mine. Save and test. Perfect. Now, next thing you can do is build a dashboard. So now that you have the connection, now you just need to add a dashboard. So that's where you go, you click build a dashboard. You can also go to dashboards, click add visualization. You are gonna select the actual data source that we created in the previous step. Once you click there, I am gonna go and be very selective. So I'm gonna select exactly what I need in my own resource group. And the only thing I have right now in that resource group is my Redis Enterprise instance. So in this dashboard, I'm gonna say use memory, and I can apply, and now I can see use memory. Now you can create more visualizations here, depending on what you want to show, right? So for example, I probably don't have any reads here, but you can do cache read. Okay, you have some. You can name it you want, right? This one, go to edit. In this instance, I have use memory, so you can give it a name, use memory, right? It will show here, and now if it was reads, so there you go. If you want to have multiple graphs or metrics in one widget, you can do so. And you can, for example, let's say that I want to also do writes. What you can do is duplicate the query. Here you see is now is B, and I'm changing to sets, to catch write. I'll apply, and now you show two metrics for that. You can see the legend here, and that's it. thank you for joining. Have a good day.